How's it going? So we're back to work, we're all back into it. We're here in the nursery and all the plants are looking amazing. We're really fortunate we were able to keep watering as essential work during level 4, so we've got amazing stock here. It's all here, it's all ready to go. You know, it's one of the great things about the hire service is that it's on us to swap the plants if they're not looking good. So if something has gone down because it hasn't been able to service for some period of time, it's no change to cost to customers, and we can just, we'll come in and change it to keep plants looking good. We've got the team out servicing, gaining access to all the places that we can. We've got a really clear COVID servicing policy, which involves mask wearing, high-vis vests, contact tracing. We have an online app which records where everyone goes digitally, so we're keeping records of every site that everyone's visiting, where they're being, when they're going there. So yeah, one of the great things about, I guess, the way we set up our plants and what we've found has been extremely positive. You know, even if there's been sites we haven't been able to get to for a period of 4 to 6 or weeks, is the way we set up the plants inside their containers. It acts like a sub-irrigation system, so we've got our own custom way of installing and setting up plants, which just means they have access to more water for longer, so the water is where they need it. And so what we've been really fortunate to find is that our plants are actually coping really well over a period where we haven't been able to service them and maintain them. Now, there's lots of great ways to use plants in workplaces to help with the physical distancing, creating partitions, barriers, whether it's vertical installations, just taller plants, or even low troughs, just help space things out a bit, as well as plants being, you know, really awesome in terms of creating that an environment that's got some life in it. So even if there's less people, even if there's a few plants, you know, you feel there's a bit more life around you, which we all, you know, are enjoying getting back to connecting with other people and the people around us, but doing it in a safe way.